Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked a car is traveling with a uniform acceleration along a straight road. Car is accelerating along a straight road. The road has maker post every 100 meters. So posts are every 100 meters away. So distance between posts is 100 meters. So we can write S equal to 100 meters. When the car passes one post, it has speed of 10 meter per second. So here initial velocity is 10 meters per second, and when it passes the next one, its speed is 20 meter per second. So final velocity is 20 meter per second when it is passing this post, 20 meters per second. Now they're asking what is the acceleration. So we can simply use this formula: v square is equal to u square plus at, sorry, 2as. Okay, v square you know it will be 20 square, u square will be 10 square plus 2 into a into 100 meters, right? So a will be 200, sorry, 400 minus 100, 400 from this one and minus 100, that means 10 square divided by 200, because 2 into 100 means 200. So we'll get 300 by 200, that means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.55, I guess, or 1.5. Sorry, 1.5 meters per second square. So option number B is the correct answer. Thank you.